Installer Guide. Today's video tutorial introduces a new solution that we have created to help clients with the initial installation. So let's start installing the monitoring station. Open the box and follow the simple instruction for assembling the monitoring station. When you have completed assembly and made the fiber optic RS-232 or USB connection to your PC, install the Narda AMInstaller software on your PC and run it. The software searches through all peripherals connected to the PC. It finds an AMB8059 connected to COM7 and also an AMS8061 connected to COM port 4. Let's start with initial installation of AMS8061. The software checks the firmware installed is the latest version. If it is not, it will guide you through the update process. Now click on Next and leave the system date and time and the automatic update via GPS flag unchanged unless you need to change date and time. Check that the time zone setting corresponds to your local time zone. Set the clock and go to the next step. Set modem or Wi-Fi connection mode as required. Now you can add your mobile phone number to receive SMS reports and alarms. If you choose the modem connection mode, configuration starts automatically and will take several minutes. If your SIM card has a PIN, make sure that you have the PIN to hand so that you can enter it to unlock the SIM. Now you need to enter some additional data, for example the access point name APN. Generally, the APN displayed is for a demo connection only, as the APN displayed is the Italian factory default setting. You will need to use the APN username and password of your provider. The system suggests a series of APNs that are compatible with your SIM card. The FTP server connection starts. Enter your credentials if you have them, or set up demo credentials for a temporary test. You can modify these credentials at any time by using the software of the monitoring station designated NSTS. The installation wizard sets a series of default parameters, alarm threshold, scheduling, etc. The system also checks the battery charge level. The software will read and write various data to set up the initial connection between the area monitor and the FTP server. FTP is now configured. Click on Next to proceed. Now enter your choice of device password and transmit it, or use the default password. Congratulations! Installation is now completed. Click on End to exit. Your monitoring station is now ready to operate and produce accurate, reliable data.